Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to change the language of Viber app. Also I wonder why you want to know how to change the language of Viber app. It is because you want to experience the Viber app in any other language other than English, or maybe you want to give app to somebody who doesn't know English, so you just want them to understand the app in their own language, so you want to change it for them, or whatever the reason it could be. In this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed the Viber app, and if you have not installed it, then you can still install it from Google Play or App Store. And once it get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in. Simply tap on the icon of the Viber to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. Here we have different options. Right now we are into the chat section where all the chats appears, and along with it in the middle we have calls. If you tap on it, you will see all the call logs of this app, but we have to click on the last option, this one. Just simply tap on it so we can get more options. Now we have got a lot of options, and from all these options what we have to do is we just have to simply tap on the settings. It also has a settings icon, so just simply click on it to open the settings. On the top, as you can see, it is written settings, and there we have a lot of different options. Every option has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So from all these options, what we have to do is we have to select this second last option, which is language. Obviously we are here to change the language, therefore we have to click on this option. After that, what will happen is that your mobile phone settings will open, and from there, as you can see, the last option says language, so we have to click this option. From this option we could easily change our mobile phone's app Viber setting. So our mobile has to allow it to change its language, therefore we are here. So right now the English is selected, but if you want to add more language, there is a limit of languages available in this app. It does not include all the languages that exist on earth. It has a limited number of languages available, so you have to select from these. If you don't speak any one of these language, so you don't have to do anything, you just have to just simply go with English. But if you know any of these language that are available here, so you just have to simply tap on that language, and that language will be selected, and the Viber app will be visible into this language. So you have to keep in mind that you select the correct language, because the app will also get translated into that app, so it will be really hard for you to change the app back to English. So right now I have selected Arabic, and now I'm just going back. As you can see, the language has been changed to Arabic. Now you just have to click on the icon of the settings so we could again change it. Once I clicked on it, we got here, and now you have to select this icon. This is a language icon. When you click on it, mobile settings will open, and from there you again have to select the English, and the language will be changed. As you can see, we again got the English language. This was the easiest way I know through which you can change the language of the Viber app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.